Yesterday we have started with the topic that is the application of the integrals. We have started the topic with some questions of that topic. Also have discussed the concepts related with the 11th class. Now we are discussing some more questions of this exercise, that is exercise 8.1. In the question number 7, it is saying that find the area of the smaller part of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, cut off by the line x is equal to a upon square root of 2. Now x square plus y square is equal to a square is the equation of the circle where center is at origin. This one. We have to find the area of the smaller part of circle cut off by the line x is equal to a upon root 2. Now x is equal to a upon root 2 means root 2 a upon 2. If we divide it by, multiply it by root 2, we get root 2 a upon 2. Now root 2 a upon 2 is greater than half of a. Now here the radius is a, it is a by 2 and root 2 a by 2 is more than that of a. तो लगभग यहाँ लाइन आएगी. So that becomes x is to a upon root 2. First of all, we have to check whether a upon root 2 is greater than half of a or more than half of the a. So it is more than half of a, तो रेडियस कितना आ रहा है? a हाफ आ रहा है. मैं दोबारा ऐसे बना देता हूँ एक मिनट. It is a, this is half of a. Now a upon root 2 is more than half of the a, so make approximate line here. तो स्मॉलर पार्ट ये आ रहा है आपका. ठीक है, क्या लेंगे इसमें? रिक्वायर्ड एरिया is given by, this is a by root 2 to a y of dx, because we are taking the limits of x here. Placing the value of y in the terms of x, it is a square minus x square in a square root a by root 2 to a 2 times, because symmetrical about the x axis, ऊपर नीचे symmetrical है तो 2 times हो गया. Now placing the formula same x upon 2 square root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sin inverse x upon a. The limit is from a by root 2 a 2 times and then find its value. फिर इसकी वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. Now see the another question, the question number 8. The area between x is equal to y square. Now that is the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. X is equal to 4 divided into 2 equal parts by the line x is equal to a. The value a is unknown to us. We have to find the value of a. Now what do we have to do here? Y square 4x is parabola of this type, having the focus on the positive side of the x-axis. Let the line x is equal to 4, ये line होगी हमारे पास, and there is another line x is equal to a which is cutting this into 2 equal parts. ये एक line मान लेते हैं हम, x is equal to a. So these are the 2 equal parts. And their area are equal. We have to find the value of a here. तो यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? Now since 0 to a, 0 to a, and second part is a to 4, y of dx, y of dx 2 times of this, 2 times of this. ये part देखें symmetrical about x-axis. This part is also about symmetrical to x-axis. They are equal to each other. Okay, cancelling 2 from here. So what do we get? 0 to a y square root of x, a to 4 square root of x, x to the power 3 by 2, it's 2 by 3, 0 to a, it's again 2 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, a to 4, cancelling it. a to the power 3 by 2 minus 0, 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 times a to the power 3 by 2. 2a to the power 3 by 2, it's 8, a to the power 3 by 2 is 4, so a is given by 4 to the power 2 by 3. सो जो यहाँ वैल्यू आएगी ए की हमारे पास क्या आ गई, ये लिख लीजिए, या फिर 2 टू द पावर 2, 2 by 3, that's the value of a here. Clear? Further, see the question number 9. क्या given है यहाँ पर? It is given to us y is equal to x square and y is equal to mod of x. You have made a graph for the y is equal to mod x in the class 11, this chapter number 2 relations and functions. इसका ग्राफ वहाँ सीखा हुआ है आपने. Now this is parabola. Now y is equal to mod of x means y is equal to x means positive value or negative value lie inside this mod. So if x is positive, then y is equal to x. Y is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. If we solve this first and second, in solving first and second, what do we get? Y is equal to x square, y is equal to x, so x is equal to x square, x minus x square 0, x common 1 minus x as 0, x 0 or 1. If the value of x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is equal to 1. Now solving first and third, minus x is equal to x square, x plus x square is 0, x is common, x 0 or x is equal to minus 1, value of x 0, then y is 0, if the value of x is minus 1, y is equal to 1. Now we make a graph for it. Y is equal to x square means x square is equal to 4ay. So make a parabola with the focus on the positive side of the y axis. x0, y0 is here, x1, y1 is here. So make a line this. This line is for y is equal to x. It is 1, 1. Minus 1, 1, which is at this place. This one is minus 1. Now we find the required area. Required area is given by minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Line and parabola. The area is bounded between this line and parabola. Line क्या है यहाँ पर? This is y is equal to minus x. So minus x minus parabola plus then 0 to 1. Again bounded between line and the parabola. Line is x, x minus x square. Minus x square upon 2, x cube upon 3, minus 1 to 0 plus x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3. Then solve it. इसको solve कर लीजिए. ठीक है? See the question number 10. मैं आपको इतने सारे क्वेश्चन इसलिए बता रहा हूँ ताकि आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाए अच्छी तरह से. See the question number 10 here. In the question number 10, it is given to us area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y. Or you can say x square upon 4 is equal to y. That's a parabola again. And x is equal to 4y minus 2 is a line. Now solving this first and second, we are solving, by this we get a point of intersection which make us easy to make a sketch of it and to find the required area. So solving first and second, we get x is equal to x square minus 2. x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. So value of x is 2 or minus 1. If x is 2 by first, value of y is 1. If x is equal to minus 1 by first, y is equal to 1 upon 4. Now we have to make a sketch for it so as to solve it. X square, y square 4ax na. 4a, this is a parabola we have to make here. Now point of intersection are 2 and 1. Another point of intersection is minus 1 is 1 upon 4. So this one is minus 1 and 1 upon 4. So we have to find this one area. Area में निकालना है. So required area is given by minus 1 to 2. ऊपर क्या है लाइन और नीचे क्या है पैराबोला. तो बाउंड्री रीजन है हमारे पास. So y of line minus y of parabola. It's minus 1 to 2. Now y of line it gives x plus 2 upon 4, and for the parabola it is x square upon 4. You can take 4 as LCM. It becomes x square upon 2 plus 2x minus x cube upon 3, and then place the value and solve it. So in this way you can do the questions of the first exercise. Complete this exercise. ठीक है. After that we will do the examples of the next exercise and the questions related with in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.